Hi everyone, what I'm going to show you today is how to replace this Chrysler key fob battery, used for different years, different models, 200, Chrysler 300 and more. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online. Pretty easy. First we have to take the emergency key out. We take this button to the left and we take the emergency key right here. Now what we have to do is to open the case, and as you can see there is a slot right here. So what I do, take the key, put it like that, and I turn clockwise. Okay, once again, show it to you right here, and clockwise. Okay, very easy. Now we got the key fob open and we have to take the battery out. I will use a flathead right here underneath. And the battery comes out. As I said, CR2032. Okay. Now we take, this is a good battery so I will use it. We take the battery, we put it first, the bottom side first, just like that. We press, take the cover, and the emergency key back, and you're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you.